Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron a white shirt step by step. Lay the shirt flat on the board and smooth wrinkles by hand, then set the iron to the recommended heat. Start with the collar, move to the cuffs, then press the sleeves carefully. Iron the back panel next and finish with the front. Keep a clean pressing cloth handy to protect delicate areas and avoid shine. Begin with the collar and cuffs because they need the most precision and set the tone for the whole shirt. Iron the collar points toward the middle to keep them flat and neat. For cuffs, press the inside first and then the outside so seams lie smooth. Use the steam function or a slightly damp cloth for tough creases, and take small passes to avoid new lines or shine on the fabric. Treat sleeves carefully to avoid creating unwanted creases along the outer edge by aligning the seams and ironing in a single direction. Move to the shirt body and press one panel at a time while pulling the fabric slightly to keep it taut. Take special care around buttons and placket by ironing around them rather than directly over them. Hang the shirt right away so it cools flat and stays crisp throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.